Welcome to my mathematics classes. Today's question I have taken from GMAT on geometry. So let us take a look at the question. The question says, in the figure JKLMP is a regular hexagon, find the measure of angle MQN. This angle MQN, we need to find out the value of this angle. Now first of all, what is the sum of all the angles of a hexagon? The sum of all the angles of a hexagon is given by n minus 2 times 180, which is equal to where n stands for 6, the number of sides that a hexagon has. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180, which is equal to 720. Now sum of all the internal angles, angle K, J, P, N, M and L. The sum is 720. Secondly, these all angles are going to be equal because this is a regular hexagon. So each angle will be how much? So 720 divided by 6, because the number of angles are 6. So divide 720 by 6 and you get 120. So each angle is 120. Now let us take a look at KLM, triangle KLM. So in KLM, angle N is 120 as explained just now. And since these two sides are equal, so can we say KLM is an isosceles triangle? And as we know, in isosceles triangle, these base angles will be equal. Correct? So base angles are equal and this angle is already 120. So what will be the measurement of these angles? 30 each. 30 plus 30 60 and 120, that is 180. So sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So this angle we got 30. Similarly, if you take a look at LMN, you will get the other two set of angles, these two angles also 30. So now, as this angle is 30, so what is this angle going to be? This angle is going to be 90. I mean QMN, angle QMN is 90. Now, this you have found already to be 30, this as 90. So you are required to find angle Q. So MQN will be, angle MQN is going to be 180 minus 90 plus 30. I hope it is clear. So 180 minus 90 plus 30 is 180 minus 120 degrees, which is finally equal to 60 degree. So our answer for this question is 60 degree, and that is the right answer. Hope you have understood the concept and how to solve such questions. I want to tell that I take classes on SAT. I take classes online for SAT, ACT, GMAT, GRE and PSAT. If you are planning to take these exams in future, or if you are already started preparing for that, I'm pleased to tell you that I have been teaching for last 15 years, and many of my students have scored very well in these exams. You can directly write to me on my email mentioned over here. You can WhatsApp me on this. You can even Skype me. So these are my contact details. Thank you very much and see you in the next lesson. Thank you.